Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take your Ford Fusion out of maintenance mode. First, make sure your vehicle is completely off and parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. This ensures safety before you begin the process. You'll need to access both the accelerator pedal and the electronic parking brake button for the upcoming steps. The entire procedure is quite quick, usually taking less than 1 minute to perform from start to finish. Now, let's move on to the pedal sequence. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. With the ignition on, firmly press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor. While still holding the accelerator down, simultaneously pull and hold the electronic parking brake button upwards. You will need to hold both of these controls in place for the next step. While you are still holding both the accelerator pedal and the electronic parking brake button, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. It's crucial to then turn the ignition back to the on position within 5 seconds, still without starting the engine. Continue to hold the controls for a few more moments. Once this cycle is complete, you can then release both the accelerator pedal and the electronic parking brake button completely. To confirm you've successfully exited maintenance mode, turn your ignition completely off. Then, proceed to start your Ford Fusion's engine as you normally would. You should hear the electronic parking brake system engaging or disengaging, indicating it has reset. Observe your dashboard for any persistent warning lights or messages. If the process was successful, your vehicle should now be operating in its standard driving mode, ready for your next journey.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.